I get it. It's nice of you. You could just shut down all the systems, turn off all the lights, just close your eyes and tune out everyone. There's nobody up here that can hurt you. It's safe.
When you're driving over rough slopes, the built-in gyroscope in the hemispherical cockpit keeps you steady the whole way, and the tires conform perfectly to the ground. The rear wheels are modular robots that can detach on their own, equipped with various 3D printing devices. If you were the weathered surface of Mars, you would experience crushing, sieving, stirring, and blending. The processed printing material inside the vehicle will be transferred to a movable storage silo. The material will be processed with Mars soil sintering technology and printed into bricks for free combination. Architects on Earth can design various types of bricks to build various structures. Now, everything is a reality.